Hello guys, it is EA Info here. If you are not familiar with our channel, here we discuss technology and life hacks for the improvement of our lives. So, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we're talking about drones, a technology that's changing the way we see and interact with the world. Drones are small unmanned aerial vehicles that are becoming increasingly popular for a variety of applications. From capturing stunning aerial footage to aiding in search and rescue missions, drones are changing the way we work and play. One of the most exciting areas of development is autonomous drones, which can fly without human intervention and carry out tasks like inspecting infrastructure, surveying land, and even monitoring wildlife. Autonomous drones use sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate and complete tasks. They can be programmed to fly specific routes, capture images or data, and return to base for recharging or data analysis. One of the biggest advantages of autonomous drones is that they can operate in dangerous or hard-to-reach locations, such as in the aftermath of natural disasters. For example, after Hurricane Harvey in 2017, drones were used to survey the damage and identify areas in need of assistance. Another exciting application of drones is in the agriculture industry. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can be used to monitor crops, detect diseases, and even apply pesticides or fertilizers with precision. This can help farmers increase their yields and reduce waste. But as with any new technology, there are also concerns around the use of drones. Privacy is a major issue, as drones can easily be used for surveillance or to invade personal space. Safety is also a concern, as drones can interfere with other aircraft or crash if not properly operated. Security is another issue, as drones can be used for nefarious purposes such as smuggling drugs or weapons. To address these concerns, the drone industry is working with government agencies to develop regulations and guidelines for the safe and responsible use of drones. For example, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the US requires all drones over a certain weight to be registered and follow specific flight rules. Drones are a technology with enormous potential, and we can't wait to see how they continue to evolve in the coming years. As the industry continues to develop and regulations are put in place, drones will become an increasingly important tool for a wide range of applications.